Magandang umaga sa lahat. The YouTube channel of the Fraternal Order of Eagles Limbas Law Corner is back to once again render public service in the field of law or pagbahagi ng aming kaunting kaalaman sa batas para sa sambayanang Pilipino. Brought to you by the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal, Region 2. Sa pamamagitan din naman ng inyong lingkod na isang abogado at isang profesor sa maraming law school sa ating bansa. Well, the topic. Okay. If you are a victim of a crime, say rape or sexual assault or acts of lasciviousness or victim yung violence against women and their children's act and other crimes. There are so many crimes actually defined and penalized under the revised penal code and other laws. Napakarami. So, biktima ka nga. And usually, ang sigaw ng tao, gusto namin hustisya. You want justice? Then do it in a proper and the most efficient, most effective, and speedy way. How is that? You file it. You file your complaint with the appropriate office of the government. Which one? The provincial office, the office of the provincial prosecutor, or office of the city prosecutor of the National Prosecution Service of the Department of Justice. Of course, some victims, hindi naman marami, naiisip nila na aping-api na, pupunta na lang sila kay congressman or senador, or kay konsihal, kay governor, kay mayor, etc. Masama ba? Hindi naman, kasi maaring mabigyan nga kayo ng tulong. Halimbawa, sige, asikasuhin ito. Ito, merong lawyer naka-assign para sa iyo, gagawa ng lahat ng mga dokumento, complaint affidavit, etc. O minsan naman, o baka mag-conduct ng investigation. Usually, Senate and the lower house mag-conduct ng investigation. But this investigation before Congress is of course in aid of legislation. Hindi naman in aid of legislation para kung sakali baka may makita silang magandang gagawing batas or susog or amendment sa mga existing laws. Pero sa office of the provincial or city prosecutor, ito yung direktang pagrereklamo ng biktima. Maaring tumulong din, syempre, huwag nating kalimutan, the Philippine National Police or the National Bureau of Investigation. So, i-file with the office of the prosecutor. With the office of the prosecutor, the respondent, itong inirereklamo ninyo. Bibigyan ng pagkakataon itong sumagot in the name of due process of law. Bigyan sila ng pagkakataon na magsumiti ng counter affidavit. But can they be compelled to submit counter affidavit? Pwede bang pwersahin? No. Remember this one under the Constitution. Okay? Article 3 of the 1987 Constitution. Lahat ng akusado, every person accused of committing a crime shall be presumed innocent until otherwise proven guilty. So hindi sila pwedeng puwersahin. Otherwise, it would be violative of another constitutional right. What right? The right against self-incrimination. So, gusto nyo ng speedy justice sa larangan ng batas, then file the necessary complaint with the office of the prosecutor of the National Prosecution Service of the Department of Justice. Hindi kung saan-saan pa liliko ka para tumagal. Okay, sana nakapaglingkod na naman itong aming club, Eagles Club, the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal Region 2. Maraming salamat at magandang araw sa lahat.